How to stay focused and study smart. Hey, what's up, students? If you're listening to this right now, you're probably juggling homework, assignments, and that never-ending to-do list, and let's be honest, it's hard to stay focused, right? I get it. Between social media, Netflix, and life, it's easy to lose track of time. But here's the thing: you can actually train your brain to stay focused and crush your goals, and today, I'm sharing some killer study tips to help you do just that. 1. Block out distractions. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb. Let's be real, how many times have you started studying only to end up scrolling on Instagram or TikTok for hours? You're not alone, but here's a pro tip before you start studying. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb mode. Or, better yet, put it in another room. Trust me, your brain will thank you when you don't have constant distractions. 2. Use the Pomodoro Technique. It's like magic for your focus. You've probably heard of the Pomodoro Technique. If not, here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes and study with full focus. After that, take a 5-minute break. It sounds simple, but it really helps you stay productive without burning out. Plus, every time the timer goes off, it's like you get a mini reward. You can do this, right? 3. Create a study playlist. Music can boost focus. Okay, this one is for the music lovers. But instead of jamming to your favorite playlist, why not create a study playlist? Choose calm, instrumental music, or even some lo-fi beats. Studies show that listening to certain types of music can actually improve your concentration, so next time you hit the books, throw on some beats and get in the zone. 4. Take breaks, but make them count. So you've been studying for a while, and now you're feeling mentally drained. What should you do? Take a break, but don't fall into the trap of checking social media. Instead, stretch, grab a snack, or take a quick walk. A 10-minute physical activity can reset your brain and get you back on track. You'll feel refreshed and ready to dive right back into your work. 5. Stay organized with digital tools. If you're the type of person who has a million tabs open and no clue where to start, this one's for you. Use apps like Notion, Trello, or Google Keep to organize your tasks and to-do lists. Break down your assignments into smaller, manageable chunks and check things off as you go. It feels so good to watch your progress unfold. 6. Get enough sleep. Seriously, don't skip it. I know you probably hear this all the time, but getting a solid 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night is crucial. When you're well rested, your brain is more focused, creative, and ready to tackle anything. So, if you've been pulling all-nighters, maybe it's time to rethink that habit. Your brain will thank you tomorrow.